sounds and signs of spring. There's the plovers or the sandpipers or whatever. People call them different things. Come every spring. They're liking the water. They're having a good old time out there. There's some. Another one over there. It might have a nest somewhere. Anyways, I have to look up what they eat. They're always near water or in grass, but usually near water. Pond, lake, stream. Anyways, signs of spring. Spring is here. Have a great day. Like, share, and subscribe.